Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another episode of the Android project idea with AI. Let's start it with a new idea. In this, we are going to create a AI-powered voice assistant app. Which I commonly use the name of the voice mate. So let's move to the introduction part. Introducing a voice mate, an advanced voice assistant for powered by the artificial intelligence that is revolutionize the way user interact with their smartphone and their application. There is a lot of application like Siri and OK Google. With the voice searching gaining the popularity and convenience, VoiceMate offer a seamless integration across the various application and power platform, enhancing the user experience and the productivity. So, what is the problem statement for this? Traditional smartphone interaction often require the user to manually navigate through the apps and perform the task, leading to the inefficiency and inconvenience. Voice searching has emerging a more convenient and intuitive method, but its full potential has to yet be realized in many applications. So, what is the solution we are going to provide in this app? Basically, VoiceMate address these challenges by leveraging the AI technologies to create a versatile and intelligent voice assistants that understand the natural language commands and perform the task seamlessly. So we are going to do the NLP as well. So we have using the NLP for the natural language processor for the AI APIs, and then after we are going to use this APIs in our Android application to understand the natural language command and perform the task seamlessly across the different applications and the functionalities by harnessing the power of voice. VoiceMate enhance the user productivity and accessibility as well. So let's move to the next slide. So if you have any idea like this, if you wanted to create an application with AI and Android, so you can just drop a mail at contact@codersarts.com. So thank you everyone.